Hey friends, this is your favorite YouTuber and you're welcomed in the Crazy Science. So in today's video we're gonna do two basic and really interesting science experiments. Let's start with our experiments. Our first experiment is the Fermi fountain. So for that we need a clean 16-ounce plastic soda bottle or a water bottle, 20 volume hydrogen peroxide liquid, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 3+ tablespoons of warm water, liquid dish washing soap, food coloring, small cup, funnel, safety goggles and an adult head. So before that, I'm gonna tell you an important note. The foam could overflow from the bottle, so be sure to do this experiment on a washable surface or place the bottle on a tray. The unreacted hydrogen peroxide can irritate the skin and eyes. Read the safety information on the hydrogen peroxide bottle and be sure to wear the safety goggles. So, these are our instructions. Use a funnel to carefully pour 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide liquid into the bottle. Add about 10 drops of your favorite food coloring into the bottle. Add about 1 tablespoon or 15 ml of liquid dish soap into the bottle and swish the bottle around a bit to mix it. In a separate small cup, combine the warm water and the yeast together and mix for about 30 seconds. It should be about the consistency of a melted ice cream. Add a little bit more water if needed. Now the adventure starts. Use the funnel to pour the yeast water mixture into the bottle and watch the foaminess begin. It will look like this. Let's come to our next experiment, which is the eggshell crystals. So for that we need a clean eggshell, water, a variety of soluble solids like table salt, rock salt, sugar, baking soda, Epsom salts, etc. Right? Small heat-proof containers, spoon, food coloring, egg cartoons and wax paper. So let's see our instructions. Crack the egg for this project as close to the narrow end as possible. This preserves more egg to use as a container for the solution. Clean the eggshells using hot water. The hot water cooks the lining and allows you to pull the skin out of the inside of the egg using your fingers. Make sure to remove all the egg membrane. If any membrane stays inside the shell, it is possible that your eggshell will grow mold and your crystals will turn black. Use an egg cartoon lined with waxed paper or mini muffin tins to hold the eggs upright. Use a saucepan to heat the water to boiling. Pour half of a cup to a cup of water into your heat-proof container. If you pour half of cup water into the container, add about 1/4 cup of solid into the water. Stir it until it dissolves. Likewise, if you used a cup of water, add about 1/2 cup of solid to the water. You need to add about half again the volume of water as a solid to mixture. When the initial amount of solid is dissolved, continue adding small amounts of solids until the water is supersaturated. Then add food coloring. Carefully pour your solution into the eggshell, filling it as full as possible without overflowing it or causing it to tip. Find a safe place to put your shells while the water evaporates. Crystals will form inside the eggshell as the water evaporates. So after evaporating the water, these eggshells will look like this. It is really beautiful, really interesting, and you can make it as a decorative material or you can gift it to a friend. So tell me in the comments which experiment you like the most in this video and subscribe to my channel right now.